Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your specialist. So we got a Jayco J-Flight in here. I'm not sure what we're doing to it, but I just wanted to come out and do a quick walk around on it. I did notice that the propane cover is missing. Looks like somebody's changed the LP hoses and regulator there. Looks like they've got a new battery installed. Oh yeah, looks like we've changed it. There's a new regulator and pigtails down there at the bottom. And so things that I'm looking at when I do like an exterior eval, obviously, we're looking at the paint and stuff on it. We're looking at to see if there's water getting into the lights itself. You can see how dirty those are, water's getting in there. We're looking at this insert molding. So this insert molding discolors. Usually I recommend changing that every 2 to 3 years as needed. You can see all the body sealants have backed themselves out, so it tells us that this molding is just agitating when it's going down the road. Of course, all the sealants, the light lenses, it's missing the plastic screw cover on the door. The window sealants and stuff have all broken loose and separated, as you can see all the cracking on there. So I'd recommend a full body reseal. Again, I would recommend the insert moldings at the roof line that run all the way down. I would recommend doing a furnace screen cover. The water hose is not in there correctly. I would recommend getting that fixed or replaced. The city water fill connection is missing its plug. Cable outlet's missing its plug. Stove vent is completely discolored and cracked and broken. And then the refrigerator vent's missing. It doesn't have any of the bug screens on it. So when you're checking out your coach, just make sure to look at all your sealants real carefully. You can see that this has been resealed before. Oops, no license plate, right? Again, same thing on the back. We got some decals peeling. Looks like the roof maybe has been coated. Tail lights, I'm not sure if those are the original or not. This is more of a newer style. Water heater, I would recommend putting a screen on that. Again, more decal damage. Body sealants, again missing the plastic insert cover around the compartment doors. So this is a 26 JTX. Looks like they've remodeled the inside because they've painted it all, and it looks, you got something back there coming loose. But wallpaper that they put on. Looks like the flooring over here is buckling. So, hey Zach.
Howdy.
You doing your notes, huh?
Putting in the notes.
All right. So anyways, stay tuned for more. And this is the Jayco. Thanks so much for watching.